Hi everyone, this is Jenna from the customer success team at Funnel, and today I wanted to talk to you about one of our features called included workspaces. So, the main benefit of using included workspaces is to have all of your data consolidated in one place. So, you don't need to connect new data sources to view all of the data in your subscription in one place. You can have it all in just one singular workspace. As a side note, this is only applicable if you work with more than one workspace, so it's only available in business and enterprise plans. Now, the main use case for included workspaces is to get a roll-up workspace. For example, if your entire subscription is set up where each workspace has different markets, has different brands, has different data types, has different teams, etc., etc. Or if you're an agency that has a workspace for each client and you want to have a workspace that consolidates all of your clients' data in one so that you can see how all of your clients are performing. The two main factors to consider with included workspaces is the first one being that data sources are referenced. So any source configuration that's edited in the daughter workspace will be reflected in the mother workspace. A side note to this is that it's not always immediate, so we recommend that you give it a little bit of time for the changes to reflect. And then the second factor being that dimensions and metrics can be copied, but it's a one-time copy. So if anything is changed in the daughter workspace in regards to dimensions or metrics, then you would have to recopy the field to the mother workspace for those new changes in the rules to be reflected within the mother workspace. So jumping into Funnel, I created this workspace, which will be the mother workspace called Janelle Subscription. And then to add the daughter workspaces, you would just go into the Connect section and then you can find the included workspaces feature here. Click into that, and then I created two daughter workspaces called Brand 1 and Brand 2, and I can go ahead and include those. And now the two data sources from Brand 1 and the three data sources from Brand 2 will be included in this workspace. As I mentioned, the data sources are referenced, not copied. So any changes that you make into the configuration of the data sources within brand 1 or brand 2 will be reflected in the mother workspace. And then in regard to the dimensions and metrics, as I mentioned, if you do make any changes within the daughter workspace's custom fields, then you would have to go and copy that field back over into the mother workspace because the custom fields aren't referenced, they're just copied. So it's a one-time copy into the mother workspace, but if you make any changes in the daughter workspace, then you would have to recopy that field over into the mother workspace for the rules that you edited or created within that field to be applicable within the mother workspace. So then if you wanted to view the data on a more holistic level, you would go into Data Explorer. So now we can go ahead and go into data source, and then we can add funnel workspace ID or funnel workspace name. And there you have it. Now you have all of your data across all of your workspaces included in one singular workspace, and you can do different comparisons and levels of analysis to see across how the different markets are doing, how your different brands are doing, how your different clients are doing, so on and so forth, all in one workspace, which would be the mother workspace. You don't have to include these two fields, it's just to kind of break it down between the different workspaces, but from now on, within this workspace, Janelle Subscription, the mother workspace, all of the data here will include all of the data from the daughter workspaces. So that's it for included workspaces. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team at support@funnel.io or through our in-app chat, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you. Bye.